If you're not using automation to manage your leads on social media, especially on TikTok, you are missing out. HighLevel has released a feature that will allow you to reply to comments on your TikTok posts, as well as send direct messages on autopilot. Now, if you haven't signed up for HighLevel yet, consider doing so via my affiliate link placed below. It's a ton of different bonuses that come with it. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So first we want to make sure we integrate our TikTok account with the CRM. So click on settings bottom left, then click on integrations on the left and look for TikTok messaging. Click connect. You want to make sure that you're logged into the correct TikTok account. Scroll down, allow all of these permissions, hit continue. And ta-da, you can see our TikTok account has already been connected. Right here, you see a little error message saying messaging has been disabled. So you want to click on manage accounts. You want to turn this on because that means you can also manage your conversations inside our conversations tab. Amazing. Then we want to head over to automation. So click automation on the left, workflows at the top, create one from scratch and or use one that you've already created. As for the trigger, we are going to use the customer replied trigger. So type customer in the search bar up here, select customer replied, narrow down the filters, reply channel, and then select TikTok. And then I always like to rename the trigger name. So we're just going to add TikTok and hit save. Nicely done. Here is our customer replied to the channel TikTok. And then we want to add an action. Let's type TikTok in the search bar. And then here we have the TikTok interactive messenger. Let's add that. And from here, you can add your message. Hey, you can even pull the custom values, contact first name, and then you can leave your message right here. Hit save action and that's it. So next up, let's talk about comment automation. So let's delete the action. Let's delete this trigger and let's select the comment and let's select the TikTok comments on a video trigger. From here, you can also narrow down again. Account is if you have connected several TikTok accounts. Okay, select the account you want to automate the comments. Post type is from here, you can select custom or published post. If you want to comment below any published post, that would be this one. Further, you wouldn't need to narrow down. But if you wanted to narrow down more to a specific post, you can select a specific post. Let's say that one. You can also preview this. Nice, so we're just going to automate comments on this particular post. Then we can narrow down further, contains phrase and or exact match. So let's say we are saying comment me below to get the PDF. We can say contains phrase and then just me, okay? And then rename the trigger name and then hit the save trigger action. Then we want to select an action. And the action is called reply in comments. And from here, we are looking to add our comments. For example, get the PDF here and then place the link of your freebie here. Then you can also mix it up and add different responses. For example, that and so on. Here you can add up to 10 different replies. Then, of course, you want to like the comment from our commenter and hit save action. And then from here, you can schedule many more different things. For example, send an email to an employee to follow up or create a task, for example, and so on and so forth, however your workflow may look like. And that's how easily you set up your TikTok DM automation as well as reply to comments. Remember, any workflow works 24/7, so no more leads will fall through the cracks. Also, the unified inbox makes it really easy for bigger teams to handle a lot of different messages, specifically if you have many different TikTok accounts. And if you want to set up your own TikTok automation, consider signing up via my affiliate link linked below, because that one will come with many different bonuses you can snag so you can be up and running online in no time. I will see you on the other side.